Welcome guys to a new tutorial. In this one we're going to do something completely different. In this one we're going to learn how to code add-ins. You may be wondering what's add-ins, and I'm going to show you. Add-ins are, and you can call it an application that adds like an add-in in the menu of a calculator. So like this one, that's an add-in. It wasn't there when you buy it. It won't be here. And as you can see, when you go in the memory, there's files in the format .g1a, and that's the format of a add-in. And we're going to learn how to install and code the tools and how to code files to make add-ins. They're mainly done in C or in C++, but I'm going to show you how to do it in C. So first we'll need to install the tools to do it. You need to first install VS Code, first link in the description. That's for Windows, Linux, and unfortunately it doesn't work on macOS. Then when you have it all installed, if you're on Windows, you should open your command prompt and say run as administrator. Say yes. Now say WSL install. And then that's going to install a Linux version, just a command prompt that has Linux. If you're on Linux, you don't, because there's already a Linux command prompt. So then you should do a lot of time. Then you need to reboot your computer, and then there should be a Linux here once you've rebooted your computer. And then you will need to, on the VS Code, you'll see that you can click on Remote Explorer. So then click on Add Distro, and I recommend you to take the highest version of Ubuntu. So that's the one. Oh, let's open new terminal. Yeah. So add distro, latest version of Ubuntu, and now it's going to install. When it has finished, it's going to ask you a surname and a password. Retype password. Oh, okay. Password. Operation completed successfully. That's a good sign. And now when you click on your Windows, this should have added on your here. And when that's done, you just need to do sudo apt update. Now it's going to ask you your password. When that's done, sudo apt upgrade. Click on, do you want to continue? Just put in Y. And now that part can take a lot of time. When it has finished, now you need to put your new commands. That's if you're on Debian, Ubuntu, or WSL, you'll need the first commands. If you're on Arch Linux, Manjaro, put the second commands. As I am on Ubuntu, I will put the first commands, and all the commands are in the description. So do not do Control V, just do right click. Just put a Y. And now this part can also take a lot of time. Now that it has finished, we'll just put the second command in. Now there's no difference if you're on WSL, Ubuntu, or Arch Linux. Just put the commands in. Right click, enter. Do you want to continue? Just put a Y. So now it will ask you this, and as it's here, just put nothing. And now just put export here. Now that's good. So here you will need to put this. That's again if you're Debian, Ubuntu, WSL. So you need to put this, and this is if you're only on Linux, but not without WSL. So this one. Just put a Y. And now this part can also take a lot of time. Just you'll need about 30 minutes to install everything. That's the max. So now that's good, and now just put the free commands in. And by the way, this is if you're on Arch Linux, Manjaro, and that's also you'll need this command in. The link of the forum is in the description also. That was quick. Now you'll need these commands. Why? Yes. Yes. Again, this one will take some time to install. Now that that's done, you can put the second one. And by the way, the first one that I put can take a lot of time. And it's alright. Yes. Now this one will as well take a lot of time. Okay, so now that we've got the second line installed, we just need the third line. And after this one, everything we can start about when this finishes. We can use the tool to program, but we'll still have to update everything. So just two more lines and everything's done. Right, so now we've got installed everything. So now just need to update everything. That's going to be not that long. And sometimes with the previous ones, when it just freezes like that, just sometimes you just need to press enter and it continues. So that's not going to be long, and then just one last one, and then everything will be installed. Now our last command. That's done. Yes. Now everything's done. So now I can just close this. Nothing's. And now you should go here, open a new folder. So just select the folder. So it's easier. And now we just need one more thing. It's a new a VS Code extension that goes here, made by Yanis, and unfortunately it's not finished yet, but the developer said that it's going to be it's not finished yet, and hopefully, but it still works, so that's good. So once you download it, just copy the zip file, then extract here. So now once you extract it, go on extensions on the three dots, install from VSX. Click here, install, and that's done. And now the moment of truth is FX SDK installed. Yes, so now it's installed because it was the thing that we installed on with the command prompts. So now everything is set up. We can start to code, but that's in our next video. I hope you enjoyed it for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.